Welcome to AgriGadget Picks. Looking to hatch healthy chicks with confidence and ease? Best Egg Incubator options offer reliable temperature control, automatic turning, and humidity management to improve hatch rates and simplify the incubation process for beginners and experienced poultry keepers alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. MATICOOPX Hatching Egg Incubator. The MATICOOPX Hatching Egg Incubator is a practical choice for poultry keepers who want a reliable and easy-to-use incubation system. One of its standout features is the stable temperature control created by a powerful circulating airflow system. Consistent heat distribution is essential for successful hatching, and this incubator is designed to maintain an even environment throughout the incubation period. Another convenient feature is the external water refill system, which allows users to add water without opening the lid. This helps prevent sudden drops in temperature and humidity that can negatively affect embryo development. The built-in egg candler is also a valuable addition, allowing users to monitor embryo growth without purchasing extra equipment. Automatic egg turning every 60 minutes helps ensure proper embryo development while reducing manual work. The incubator automatically stops turning eggs 3 days before hatching time, helping chicks position themselves correctly. Overall, this model combines convenience, stable performance, and user-friendly features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced poultry enthusiasts. Number 2. Harris Farms Egg Incubator. The Harris Farms Egg Incubator is designed to simplify the hatching process while delivering dependable results for various bird species. It accommodates up to 22 chicken eggs, 12 to 18 duck eggs, or 22 to 24 pheasant eggs, making it a versatile option for hobby farmers and backyard poultry keepers. Its 360-degree transparent design provides excellent visibility, allowing users to monitor eggs from every angle without disturbing the incubation environment. A key feature is the 360-degree induced airflow system, which promotes even heat distribution and stable temperatures throughout the chamber. Proper airflow is critical for successful hatching, and this incubator performs well in maintaining consistent conditions. The humidity control system includes an easy-to-read display and adjustment knob, giving users greater control over incubation settings. Automatic egg turning helps reduce labor and improves hatch rates by ensuring regular egg movement. The turner automatically stops 3 days before hatching, allowing chicks to prepare naturally for emergence. With its thoughtful design and dependable functionality, this incubator is well-suited for poultry enthusiasts seeking reliable performance.
Number 3. MATICOOPX Humidity Egg Incubator. The MATICOOPX Humidity Egg Incubator offers many of the features poultry keepers look for when aiming for successful hatch rates. Built with a strong airflow circulation system, it maintains a stable temperature throughout the incubation process, helping create favorable conditions for embryo development. One of its most convenient features is the external water refill system, which allows users to maintain humidity levels without opening the lid. This minimizes temperature fluctuations and reduces the risk of disrupting the incubation environment. The integrated egg candler provides an easy way to monitor embryo growth and check fertility without investing in additional accessories. Automatic egg turning every hour ensures eggs are rotated consistently, helping support healthy development while eliminating the need for manual turning. The incubator also automatically stops turning eggs 3 days before hatching, a crucial stage that allows chicks to position themselves correctly before emergence. Easy to operate and equipped with practical features, this incubator is a solid option for beginners and experienced poultry keepers looking for convenience and dependable incubation performance. Number 4. Chickcozy Automatic Egg Incubator. The Chickcozy Automatic Egg Incubator is designed with several thoughtful upgrades that help create a favorable environment for successful hatching. Its enhanced dual watering zones provide greater flexibility in managing humidity levels, making it easier to adapt to different climates and incubation requirements. The advanced temperature and humidity control system helps maintain stable conditions while mimicking the natural hatching process of a brooding hen. Automatic egg rotation every hour promotes even embryo development and reduces the need for manual intervention. One feature many users appreciate is the pull-out water tray, which makes adding or removing water simple and mess-free, while helping maintain consistent humidity levels. Safety is also a priority, with an anti-slip mat designed to protect newly hatched chicks and a protective wall that helps prevent accidental falls. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, thanks to the detachable fan and washable base. Combining ease of use, practical design, and effective environmental control, the Chickcozy Incubator is an excellent option for beginners and experienced poultry keepers alike.
Number 5. APDOE Hatching Egg Incubator. The APDOE Hatching Egg Incubator stands out with its advanced features and flexible settings designed to support a wide range of bird species. One of its most useful functions is the automatic egg turning system, which allows users to select turning intervals of 1, 2, or 3 hours depending on the type of eggs being incubated. The incubator automatically enters lockdown mode and stops turning eggs during the final 3 days before hatching. It includes 2 separate egg trays, accommodating everything from small quail eggs to larger duck, goose, and turkey eggs. The fully adjustable incubation day and cycle settings make it easier to manage different species and track progress accurately. Another highlight is the automatic water refill system, which helps maintain stable humidity without requiring constant monitoring or daily refills. Temperature and humidity alerts provide additional peace of mind, while the built-in egg candler and clear 360-degree viewing lid allow users to observe embryo development throughout the process. Overall, this incubator offers excellent versatility, convenience, and modern incubation technology. That wraps up our list of the best egg incubator for hatching chicks. Each model offers unique features to support successful hatching, from automatic egg turning to precise temperature and humidity control. Choose the one that best fits your needs, budget, and flock size. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for more details.